to your next challenge entitled Remove Every Vowel from a String. You are to create a function that takes a string and returns a new string with all vowels removed. So check the examples below. Remove vowels on a lot of these sentences. You can see clearly from the output that there are no vowels. The spacing seems to be preserved, so we're pretty much just removing the vowels. One thing to note is that Y is not considered a vowel for this challenge. And you can expect a valid string for all test cases. Okay? So let's go over to code and knock it out. If this seems like you've done something like this before, that's good. Your spidey sense should be going off. We have done something very similar to this, and in recent times, and that should give you a clue as to what to do. It should make it easy for you. And the idea is that you're sort of adding these different concepts to your tool belt, and when you encounter similar problems, which happens a lot, you can utilize them. So go ahead and give this one a go. I'm going back to regular expressions. And do you remember we did regex? We had this nice replace method, right? And that seems pretty relevant here. We want to get rid of vowels. Last time we wanted to get rid of certain characters, and we replaced them with an empty string, which effectively removed them. And we'll do the same thing here. So we knew this replace had a 3-parameter overload that took 3 strings. It took our input, it took a pattern, which we'll make, and then it took replacement string, and we'll say to replace all matches with nothing, with an empty string, I should say. So the question is, what goes in here? What can we put in here to make a pattern that matches vowels? We'll start with our square brackets, remember? And then we can put the characters right in here, right? They said not to use Y, so we'll have A, E, I, O, and U. And hopefully you're thinking about casing as well. So to be complete, we should add those. Now we've got lowercase and uppercase covered. You could put your literal interpretation there. We don't need it. I think we'll be okay with this. So yeah, this is much like our recent challenge. I think it becomes this easy. So let's try running this. And yeah, look at that, winner. And that's sort of the power of getting these things down where they just become second nature to you, and they sort of shape the way you think, you know, and you just have these building blocks in place and can really knock out problems quick. That's sort of the goal. So hopefully you don't find the repetition annoying. It's a good opportunity to just reaffirm your grasp of that particular tool. So yeah, hit me up with questions. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.